Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So here we are able to get the cities data. So if you try to see in the inspect element, if you go to the console, and I think we need to go to the components, and in the cities list data, so here we are able to get the cities as a props, and the loading also we are getting it as a false. So now we are sending it to the cities list. Let's go to the cities list here. So this is our thing. And here if you try to see, here we are getting an error, something like props validation error. So let's try to write the validation for these props. So that we have already learned about these things, right? So for this one, for writing the validation for these props, what we need to do? So we need to import the prop types. Here I am importing the props. Import prop types from prop-types, right? So this one should be something like, I didn't remember exactly, prop or prop, I didn't remember exactly. So how can I, so you'll write it like this, prop types. Okay, so import prop types from the prop types. Now in order to write the prop types, what we need to do here, so cities list dot prop types is equal to, I think we need to write it like this only, cities. For these cities I need to write prop types dot array. It should be an array. So cities we are getting it as an array dot is required. We can write it like this directly, I think like this only, yeah. And here another one is the loading. So it is a boolean type. So prop types dot bool dot is required. That's it. So we have written the validations for this one also. Now automatically the errors will go away. So it should go away, the errors will go away. So why it is not going, I didn't know exactly. Loading is declared but it is never used. Okay, so we will use it, that one automatically. So now we have got the, data. So we have written the validations for this one. So as you already know, we have discussed in our previous videos also. In this course only, React course only, if you go a couple of videos back, you will be able to see about this one, prop validation. Now what I want to do here, first I need to show the loading bar, right? So first I need to show the loading bar here. So for this one, what I can do is I can create a component that is nothing but a loader. So here I will be having a loader.jsx. So we are having some CSS spinners or loaders, what we can say, CSS loaders, I can write it. And here we are able to see CSS loaders and spinners. And if you try to see here anything, so I will try to take this one. I don't want to take too much complication. And here I will create a component, export default function, and it should be a loader. And in this one I will write return span tag. Okay, this is the class name. It should be a class name and the loader. For this one, what we need to do here, we need to create a new CSS, that is nothing but loader.module.css. okay, and here we are having all a couple of CSS. Let's copy this one and paste it here in our loader thing. Now this is all the code we are having in the loader.jsx, and what I will do is import styles from loader.module.css. that's it. Okay, and here what I can do, let's remove this one, and here I will write styles.loader. okay, so we have implemented this loader also. Now we got the data. Now here let's go into this one, cities list. So here I need to show the loader thing. And if you go to our cities list.jsx, so here I need to show the loader. And here I can write in such a way that if loading is there, okay, if loading is there, then I need to return only the loader. It should be imported. That's it. Now let's see, let's try to refresh this page, and here we are able to see a loading. See, so from couple of times we are able to see a loading symbol. So now we are getting the loading, okay, or otherwise if you see here not of loading, then you will be able to see a loading symbol. See, this is the loading symbol, we are able to get it. Now at the first time when we are trying to get the data, so we will try to, we can see that loading symbol. So now loading symbol is completed. Now what we need to do, so we need to show this all the cities list, what we are able to get it. And here in our div, so here this is the div where we will be writing, and here cities dot map I will be using the cities.map, and here city, I need to create a new component. I need to send the each city item. So for this one also, what we'll do is we'll create a new component that is nothing but city item. So here in our components, I am creating a new file, city item.jsx. So whatever the name you want, you can create it. And here I will try to create city item.module.css. Okay, and this one we need to rename it. The spelling mistake, city item. Okay, so that is one. Now if in our city item.jsx, so export default city item function, it should be a function. So we are writing in the CSS module, it should be here city item, and it should be a function, and this city item. Okay, so return div city item. So this is the city item which we will try to return, and here we will be having the div close. So this is our city item, and let's go to the city list.js. So here I need to show the city item. Okay, so we are having the city item. Now if you try to see here, we are getting error. Why? Because so I will be sending the city is equal to city, and here we need to have a key also. Key is equal to city.name. So I will taking this city.name as the, and city item, we need to import this city item. Now if you try to see here, if I refresh this page, so hopefully, why we are not getting any data, sorry, not data, error, we are getting an error, console cities.map is not a function. Okay, the first time when we are trying to get it, so here we will be getting a issue. Then what I can do is, so here cities.map, so we are not getting the data for the first time, right? So here what I can do, cities.map is not a first time. So here what I can do is, so if not of cities.length, so if cities data is not there, then I will show the message. Okay, so I will show the message, and simple message is equal to cities data is not available. Okay, so this is our new what I can say is component. So let's try to create this cities component. Here in this component, I will create a new file that is nothing but message.jsx. okay, and here in this one I will be creating export default function message, and here I will send this one message, we will getting it as a props, and here we need to show the message. Simple, I don't want to take too much. So here I will show you how we can create it. I am not taking the CSS, I am not creating writing the CSS and all the things. So we will show the message directly here. So we got the props and we are showing it directly, and here we are getting an error. So that is nothing but because of this prop validation. So we'll write quickly, we'll write the message dot prop types is equal to, so here we will be having a message, and we will write the prop types. So can we able to import it? So we are not able to import it. Oh, we are getting some data. Prop types, no, we are not getting. So we will import the prop types. Import prop types from prop types. Okay, so here prop types dot it's a string and is required. Okay, oh sorry, is required. So we are writing it like this. Now this is a simple message which we are trying to show, and here I will load this message also. So that's it. Hopefully now we are able to see the output. Now if I try to refresh this page, so we are not getting any error. Loading symbol we are able to see, and invalid prop cities of type string supplied to cities list. So city invalid failed prop type, invalid prop of prop cities of type string supplied to city list expected array. Okay. So what is the problem is, in our app.jsx file, so we are sending it as an empty. So this is the problem. So we are sending it as an empty, right? So we need to make it as an array. So I think now the error will go away. So if I try to refresh this page, see now the error gone away. Now we are able to show each city item like this. So now this is how we will be writing. So we have written all the prop validation, and here we are showing the loading symbol, and if the city's data is not there means then we are also showing, if city's length is there means then we can show the message, yes, city's data is not available. So like this we are able to show the message. We have created city item. In the next video we will try to, what I will do is I will try to design this city item, and I will try to show one by one these all the cities data in the next video. So hope you understood about this concept and all those things. What I will do is I will commit this video in a new branch. So these are the concepts we already know. So whatever the things we have discussed it previously in our React course, those are all the things we are trying to implement in the project. So that is the reason I am moving little bit fast. So if you are not able to understand or anything, let me know in the comments. And also if you doesn't follow my previous videos, then you will be able to find it little bit difficult. If you follow from first onwards my React course from the first onwards means then it is very easy. So it's not a problem. So here React-27 127, and here cities prop types. Okay. So for the reference link, the GitHub repository URL is provided in the description below of this video. If you have any doubts and anything, so if you want to refer this code means, so you can clone that link and you can get this code. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.